Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing Shai's updated curly hair routine. I already washed and deep conditioned her hair and now it's just time for me to style it. It's been a while since I've done any type of hair video for Shai on my channel, so I just thought today would be a great day. I'm just going to take the time to really be able to style her hair and condition it and show you guys the products that I like to use. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. I do appreciate it. Do a simple hairstyle today because she does not want to be bothered. Wash days are hard for her. She does not like to get her hair washed, but that's you know what, it is what it is. So let's try to get her up. Okay, I hope you guys can see that good enough. So this is her hair, freshly washed and deep conditioned. I use Cantu products. I'm going to put them on the screen so you guys can see. And I was able to detangle her hair a lot, but not as much as I need to. But I just want to show you guys her curl pattern right now without anything in it. I'm going to go in first with my leave-in conditioner by Cantu. Cantu has been working really good on her hair, so I'm just going to stick to the same brand and not try to switch it up like I was at first because it tends to get dry down here. Let me show you guys her length. I'm having issues right in here. This part never fell out, but it's the driest part of her hair, so I'm having a little bit of trouble trying to get that to catch up with the rest of her hair. The top of her hair has grown a lot. You guys can see, sorry, you guys can see that it has grown quite a bit. So all in all, her hair has grown a good amount. It's just as far as keeping it moisturized and keeping it healthy. Okay, so the first product I'm going to use is just this moisturizing oil treatment. I got this from Sally's Beauty for, it's been a little minute. It's the lavender and marula with sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, sapphire seed oil, and just a bunch of oils. It smells really good and I use it on my hair as well. So I've just been putting this on her hair, on her scalp first. You see the front. Turn around, show your friends. Y'all, I had to give her pacifier because she would not let me touch her today, so I just had to give in. So I just go randomly and the front of her hair is a lot drier and it's a tighter curl pattern. But I realized that, like I said, the Cantu products actually work well with both textures. You show them? Can y'all see? Take the newbie out. Yeah, she don't need it. She just wants it. Look at yourself. So yeah, I just want to make sure I oil the front part really well because that is this part that I said dries a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this So Smooth. I don't even know what brand this is, but I got this from my mom. It's an anti-frizzing treatment. So I'm just going to put a little bit over her hair. And just gonna rub that in. And now I'm gonna go in with my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioning. repair cream. And I have been loving this. If you have not tried this, go ahead and get you some. This stuff is really, really good. And I use it on my hair as well. So I'm just gonna get a nice bit, because lately I've only been really using this on her hair, and that's it. One product for the most part.
That tickle.
It tickle you? And it is white when you put it on. You just gotta make sure you rub it all the way in. The white residue will definitely go away. So I start off with just like one little handful of amount, because when I go in through her sections and part out her hair, I may add some more. So today I'm just gonna keep it very simple. She gets restless and I don't need her to start getting mad. So then I'm gonna section off the back of her hair from ear to ear. Okay, try to get that as straight as possible. I try not to comb so much of the curls out whenever I'm parting her hair. I gotta be very gentle. The Cantu Define and Shine Custard. This works really good with the leave-in repair cream. I'm just gonna use a little bit. And if I was gonna leave her hair down, this is all I would have to put on it and it would literally last all day. But I'm gonna go ahead and ponytail, like put ponytails in it. Yeah, I'm using a soft bristle brush. I get so sad when I have to curl, to brush out her curls. If you get sad when you have to brush out your daughter's curls or your curls, let me know in the comment section down below. It's just like, oh my God, they're so cute, but you know, you want the hair to last. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Define and Shine Custard just to lay her hair down. And I'm going to do some Shirley Temple curls. I still do this on her hair. This is how my mom and my grandmother did my hair growing up. If you can't get the small little tangles out, it's good to always have a Denman brush, because Denman brush is the best. From using a Denman brush, it already curled her hair really nicely. See that?
How will you be in your mouth?
You need to take your newbie out your mouth. I'm trying to make sure I got a good angle for you guys, but okay, so these curls were formed with just using you know, the products that we use with the Denman brush. So if you do not have a Denman brush, get a Denman brush. You can order them off Amazon. I will link the one that I use down below. So now we're just gonna do the next section. Sit down, Momo. We almost done. So I already put some leave-in cream in there, so I'm just gonna get some more of that Define and Shine Custard. And I can detangle it right now. I just don't have my detangling brush with me, and once I get to pulling a lot of the tangles out, she's like over it. So I've been trying lately to pull out majority of the tangles with the brush. Make sure these are even, because I do that. Yeah, make sure those are even and that it's as flat. But I'm not gonna take that out because, turn your head, Mama. It's so hard from the angle I'm doing it from, so I took some of the hair, but it's already in the ponytail, whatever. And I use rubber bands on her hair only because she plays in her hair. And if I use anything softer, she would go and take it out. But I take the rubber bands out of her hair at night, so it doesn't matter. Just you don't want to make them too tight. The hair into the Denman brush, you want to make sure that the hair is going through the bristles, and you just want to just pull it up like that. You can just twist it some more with your finger to make it all go one way, but then it'll clump the curls together. Look how pretty. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to do the top. Okay, for the top, I like to keep it simple as well. So I'm probably just going to do a sideways. Turn your head, Mama. I have also been using the Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, and I spray it on her hair if it gets dry. You can use water, but I like to use this because it's just another level moisturizing the hair. So number one, leave out the little sideburns. Hers are pretty long though. I don't leave out that much. And I'm gonna do like a swoop, kind of making an S. I'm gonna show you guys and you guys will be able to see. But I don't wanna just do a straight part. So you kind of make an S. Okay, y'all can see that? And I'm just gonna put 2 ponytails. Yeah guys, so I don't really try to use the comb as much because she would not let me finish her hair. So I try to brush through it as much as I can. So in the end, I'll just have to comb out whatever tangles the brush didn't get out. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the Define and Shine Custard. It's gonna help lay her hair down. And then I'm just gonna grab pieces, the Denman brush, start to form our little curls. If you're having a hard time or you have a hard time with the Denman brush, you can get a rat tail comb. So let me show you guys how I do with the rat tail comb. because this is what my grandmother used and my mom used. I'm not very picky on the way the curls are going. Doesn't matter, but you see, it does the same, pretty much the same thing with the rat tail comb. So I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing. If it gets a little dry, spray your water or your leave-in spray. Make sure they're even. You may not have to use as much product as I do, but I like to make sure her hair is nicely moisturized. She's, like I said, she plays in her hair and she's very rough. She doesn't keep a bonnet on her hair. So the more moisture that I can get in it in the first days, I feel like it just lasts a lot longer. It does not create a lot of buildup. For me, in my opinion. So just use the amount that you need based on your child's hair and the porosity. Her hair soaks up a lot of it, so it's kind of like it doesn't really matter how much I put in it. It's not going to look greasy. If you use a grease product, yeah, that can easily happen and can kind of look nasty after a couple days. But with the Cantu product, I have found that they work really, really well with her hair, and her hair doesn't look greasy. And get my toothbrush. This is a very soft bristle brush, like. Now, I don't do too much. You gave them a high five? Hold on, let me make sure this is laid down. This could have been put up, but whatever.
Me red. I sat down. I sat down.
Are you fighting?
Mm-hmm.
So I've done her edges. I'm just gonna put her bows in. Do you like your hair?
Yeah.
So guys, this is how I've been doing Shy's hair lately. Very simple but moisturized. If you like today's video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Say subscribe to my channel.
Thumbs up.
Go check out Shy's channel. I'm gonna leave it the link down below.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.